Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, June 16th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So, anyways, the US dollar yen has definitely been drifting up since Friday, but we do have to keep in mind that the daily, the weekly, and the monthly time frames are all down. That means that anything we see to the upside very easily could just be a pullback to the downtrend. So, I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last move down. If I see one, two, three waves up to a Fibonacci retracement level, and then I see a break of structure to the downside, I would definitely stop looking for longs and start looking for shorts. Since the 4 hour time frame is up, and since we do have a break up on the 1 hour, you could definitely justify looking for longs right now. Just keep in mind if you do get like a double top or a three-way pullback and a Fibonacci bounce and a break of structure to the downside, you definitely better get back on the same side as the higher time frame trend, because as always, the trend is your friend, and there's really nothing stopping this thing from continuing down pretty much at any time. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.